Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the isomer. Last session we finished naming the alkane, and today we will continue with the isomers and type of isomers. Firstly, let me show you what's isomer mean definition. You have to know first that one. Isomers are compounds that have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. Remember that one? Also, we learned the isomer before. They have a same molecular formula but they have a different structure. We can call this type of compound isomers. And in the chemistry, we have two types of isomers: structural isomers and geometrical isomers. Firstly, we will explain the structural isomer. After, we can continue the geometrical isomers. Structural isomers means about the structure. It means that isomers in which the atoms are bonded together in different orders. It means you have a same formula, but you can arrange the atoms with different way. You can call them structural isomers. It means that the both formula contains same amount of substance, same amount of elements, but their structure, their place are different. For example, there are two examples are there, but before the example, I will tell you that one. The methane, ethane, and propane has only one possible arrangement, and it has only one isomer, but butane has two. If you want to memorize, I will give you this chart for you. You can memorize which carbon, which alkane has how many isomers. We know that methane, ethane, and propane has only one isomer. But if there is a butane, has two isomers. If the pentane, it has three isomers. And if it's a hexane, it has five isomers. It continues like that. For example, heptane 9, it goes like that. But for you, that's enough until 6. If you want to know, if you want to want to learn the other types of isomer, you can check the internet also. But the first, second, and third carbon, it means methane, ethane, and propane, has only one structure. Butane, pentane, and hexane has the width between them 1, 2, 3, or 4. So, for example, butane, as we know, butane is what? 4 carbon. So if you check this one, you will see that butane has how many isomers? 2 isomers. So you can write only 2 types of butane. 2 types of butane isomers. Firstly, if I write the longest chain like that, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon, this I call C4H10. The name is butane. The total formula is what? Molecular formula is this. And also, we can write the C4H10 with a different way. We cannot put the carbon like a straight chain. We can use a branch and alkyl group. Instead of the last part, we can put in a second carbon like that. It becomes a 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, it's called C4H10. Are they same? Yes, because of that, these are isomers. What's the name of it? Also, we learned that one. 1, 2, 3. Second carbon, we have alkyl group. 2 methyl propane is the name of this substance. So if the molecular formulas are same and the structures are different, we can call this type of substance isomers, structural isomers. Yes, butane and 2-methyl propane are isomers because they have the same formula but different structure. Means that they have the same molecular formula but different structural formula. The structure of this and structure of this are different. And the isomers have different physical and chemical properties. If you check, you will see that if the structural formula change, also we know that before, if you change the structure, if you change the place of the substance, also their property can change. Their boiling point, their melting point, their shape, their state can change. And if you understand, let me continue with the other example about the structural isomer. Let's continue. The question says that draw the all isomers of an alkane that has 5 carbon. 5 carbon means what? C5H12. As you know, pentane has 3 possible isomers. So we can write 3 possible isomers for the C5H12. Let me write the first one first. The first one, you can use a straight chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. And there's a hydrogen 3, 2, 2, 2, and 3. As you saw, what's that? C5H12. Name is, what is the name of this? This is pentane. What about the second? The second one, we can change the structure. For example, I use instead of 4 carbon, I use 4 carbon, 1, 2, 4, and I put the here one carbon here. So it become a different structure. We can call them different name. CH3. This carbon makes 3, so you can make 1. There is a 2. There is a 3. What's the name of this? We know that the alkyl groups close to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can call them 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. Also, the formula, total formula is what? C5H12. But the name is different. And what about the third one? Let me write the third one. 1, 2, 3. Instead of 4, because if I write that 4, also if I put that here, it will be same, guys. If you put this CH2 to here, also the name will be same because you will start from the right side. It will be also 2-methyl butane, so it won't be a isomer. But if you use, instead of 4, if you use 3 body straight chain of carbon, and in the center of the carbon you can make 2 different carbon, it becomes a totally 5 carbon, and you can occupy the hydrogens. This carbon has how many bonds? 4, so you don't need to put any hydrogen here. It here H3, H3, H3. And what's the name of this compound, guys? It's also very easy because you can use this straight chain. It doesn't matter. I use this one. And what's the name of it? 1, 2, 3. So in the second carbon we have how many methyl group? 1, 2. Name is 2,2-dimethyl. What is the body? Propane. If you check, you will see that it's also C5H12. The molecular formulas are same, but structures are, means the names are different. If you check, the names are different because the pentane, 2-methylbutane, and 2,2-dimethyl propane. So these are the 3 possible isomer of the pentane. If you have any question, you can write in a Viber to me. I can explain to you. Okay, let's continue. Next part. Yes, the other example, draw the all isomers and name of alkane that has 14 hydrogen. Guys, 14 hydrogen alkane means, as we know, the formula of the alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So it means that if you have a 2n plus 2 hydrogen, you need n number of carbons. So there is a 4 hydrogen. It means CH14 means it must be C6H14 is the compound that contains 4 hydrogens. So you have to draw these isomers of it. Also, if you check the figure that I told you before, this carbon contains how many isomers? 5 isomers. So you have to write the 5 isomers of them by using the same way. Let me write for you the first one. The first one is easy that I told you. Write directly the straight chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 carbon, and with the hydrogens H3, H2, 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 and H3. We can call that what? It is hexane. Also C6H14. What about second one? Second one I use, instead of 6 carbon chain, we use 5 carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put here 1 carbon also. CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, and CH3. And the second carbon we have what? Methyl group. So the name is 2-methyl butane, pentane. This is also C6H14. What about the third one? Third one, also I can use 4 carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I put here 1, I put here 1. CH3, CH3, CH2, 3, CH, CH, CH3. What's the name of this one? As we know, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 methyl group we have. 2, 3, dimethyl butane is the name of this alkane. Also, it's also C6H14. If you check, you will see. What about the fourth one? The fourth one also, guys, you can use like that. You can use 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Also, you can use 4 carbon, but instead of that one, you can put here 2 methyl groups, CH2, and CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But there will be 7. Sorry. Let me check it again for you. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, the fourth one, let me write again for you. We write the first one hexane, 2-methylpentane, 2,3-dimethyl-butane, and the fourth one we can use like that, guys. We use the 5 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the middle, the center, you can also add 1 CH3, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, and CH3. What's the name of it? If you check, you will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that trimethyl 1, 2, 3 pentane. It was a 2-methyl pentane, and that was a 3-methyl pentane. It was one. And what about the fifth one? Let me write the fifth one here, guys, for you. Sorry about that. Fifth one. In the fifth one also, I use the 4 carbon body, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up and down of this carbon, I add CH3, CH3. So you can put here CH2, 3. There is no carbon because carbon makes 4 bonds, CH2 and CH3. What's the name of this chain? This is the 2 methyl group are in which carbon? Second carbon. So 2,2-dimethyl. What's the body? Butane. Also, it is C6H14. It was like that. C6H14. If you check all 5 of the structure, you will see that they have the same formula, molecular formula, but they have a different structure, guys. You can call these type of structure, these type of isomers, structural isomers, because there is a structural, they have a different structure, and they have the same formula. Nice.